God dang it! I was late.
Severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Tennessee, Central Wilson County, Tennessee, until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Antioch, Oregon, 7 miles southeast of Nashville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Juliet, Hermitage, Rural Hill, Belinda City, Percy Priest Lake, and Gladeville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.